Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, August the 11th, 2021. We have here in this additional, with extra Sudokus and puzzles, six extra puzzles or Sudokus. The first one is a Sudoku, a letter Sudoku. Then we have a two stars Sudoku. Third one, 3 star Sudoku. Then we have a 4 stars tectonic, binary puzzle. And the last one, a tectonic with 1 star. And those are puzzles not interested. So a total of 6, and I will do half of them. Yes, 3 I will solve. And those are the 3 stars Sudoku I will solve. Then I will do a tectonic with 4 stars and a binary puzzle. So 3 out of 6. Otherwise, it's too much for me to solve because earlier today I've solved 3 Sudokus, regular Sudokus. Alright, so let's get started. And the first puzzle will be number 3229. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 printed digits. Correct. For 3 stars puzzles, it's always 25 printed digits. And for 3 stars, I need 20 minutes to 30 minutes to solve. Yes, if it's really a 3 stars. All right, so let's get started. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 6 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and a 9 are left. Okay, let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and a 9. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and a 7. We have an 8 and a 7 in the middle row. So no 8 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 7. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 5 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 9 and a 5. 2 missing numbers in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We see here and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. We see have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. There 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, or there. We have another 6 here, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column. 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Okay. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the third column. For the numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Sorry, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 7 are missing. 2 and a 7 in this big square. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and a 2. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be and there. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. All right. 7. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 5 and 3. So 1 digit left in this big square should be for the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. All right. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 5. All right. 1 box left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Okay. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 2. Okay. One box left in the third row for the number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 5, 5, 5, 5. And now, 1, 1. 4, 4. 7, 7. 7, 7. About. Yeah. 4, 5. 3, yes. 3 in the first row. 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 4, 5. 7, 9, 3, 8, 1. 6, 3, 8, 9. Let me think. How about need a 2 here. 2. Woohoo! 2. 4, 3, 5, 6, 8. I'm thinking. We have a pair, I believe. We have a pair. Yes. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 3. We have a 9 and a 3 in this column, so no 9 and a 3 in this box. We have a 9 and a 3 in the middle column, so no 9 and a 3 in those 2 boxes. We have a 9 and a 3 in this row, so we have a 9 and a 3 in this row, so no 9 and a 3 in this box. So the 9 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 9 and 3. So what are the other 2 numbers in this column? The 7 is missing and the 5 is missing. 7 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7 and 5. 7 and the 5. Okay. 4, 4, 4, 4. How about the 2? I'm thinking. 3, 5, 5, 5. 4, 5, 2. 2, 4, 5, 2. 2, 4, 5. And a 7, 2, 4, 5. No. 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. And a 7. 1, 9 and a 5. 1, 9 and 5. No 9 here. 9 should be here. 1 and a 5. I'm thinking hard. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. 4, 5, and 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 4, 7. Yeah. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 here. 2, 2. How about the 5, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, 4. I think I need to put some numbers. It's taking too long. Yeah. Okay, let me do this. I cannot see the opening. Okay, so we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here cannot be a 5 because we have a pair 9 and a 3. This box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. So we have now a 3 here. So this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 9. Okay. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row B3, the only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 and 1 there. 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in... Oh, we already have a 1 here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, this is number 3, number 1. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. 2 and a 7. 2 and a 7. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 7 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 could be here, could be there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing, 2 and a 5. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. And the last 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finished in 19 minutes. Wow. My time limit should be 20 to 30 minutes. So is this really a 3 stars? No, I think this rather a 2 stars because I finished this in 80 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. Sudoku, it's a puzzle. 4 stars tectonic. Or no, let me do the binary first. So okay, see you then. Bye bye for now.